Hello guys, welcome to another video of our trip in China. This is day 11 of our trip and the weather is really bad in Yangshuo, so we don't know what to do, and we are watching the mountain and the surrounding, but keep watching, then you will find it out what we are going to do. It's raining like crazy, so what else we can do? We are just sitting and looking the mountain and sitting in the balcony, so enjoying the rain. Look at this beautiful mountain in front of us, and the rain and the mist and cloud, everything just become together. So guys, hotel just came with an idea. They will give all of us a dumpling making course. So we are preparing ourselves. We don't know, we never made dumpling in our life. So it will be a great experience. And guys, keep watching until the end. Then you can also probably make dumpling in your home.
When we did dumpling, use the flour, wheat flour, only wheat. Okay.
So this is our bowl, and we are making.
A little bit water every time. A little bit water, not too much.
Okay.
Okay.
It's service and stuff too.
Okay. Alright. First, I show you make the dumpling.
That would probably be
Kind
why.
of sourdough. No. What is that? Later, I take the dough like this. Like this is okay. Not like no.
Okay.
So, like this.
You twist.
Twist it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then like this. This dough is okay. That's bigger.
That's a good size.
Small. Okay. You use the dry flour on table. Use the hand. Right. Don't stick to the hand. Stick to the table. You use the dry flour. Turn over. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. One hand take the dough. The finger put in the middle like this. You use the dough the middle. Come back. You come back not too hard. Turn around. A little bit turn around. Not too much. Like this. Little light. A little light.
Your fault.
The dumpling skin inside thin, it's better.
Okay.
The middle a little bit thick. Yeah. Because the middle hold the filling a little bit thick, it's better. The those a little wet. You use the dry flour. To the middle, come back. The middle, come back. 我都没感觉。Okay.
Try your best to get some.
A little bit thicker. It's not thicker. Okay. 放水。It's filling. thinning together like this. And then fold in half. Only middle pinch. One side is nothing. Only one side. This. Fold over to the middle pinch. A little bit is okay. Not too much. Fold over. Here it's okay.
Just one side.
Not here. Not together. Okay. 3, 4, it's okay. That's long, it's more fold. The first time, both first come together. This middle. This. This. Okay. Okay, so easy.
Yeah, so easy. So easy.
Yay. 那你给他们分享多少？
Okay, so we have pork table is here, vegetable table is there, another table is there.
So you move? Okay.
So
还有谁要吃一点可以跟他讲。看有多少个人呀、Only 11. Manage first. Yes. Turn over.
So I hope you enjoyed watching how to make dumpling, and you can make as well at your home. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you soon with another video of our trip from China. Until then, take care. Bye.